Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another old palette, new makeup look. Today's palette is the very first and original AMrezy and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I remember when this palette came out, I was so excited, so excited. The colors are so pretty, so perfect, and they were just very her. So with this palette you get a lot of neutrals and you get 2 pops of color and of course a black, because you need a black, you need a matte black in your shadows, you know, at least I do. So the first thing we're going to do is, I think I'm going to add this shade right here, which is vanilla, into my inner corner. I'm just using this Morphe M224 brush. Pretty much just use whatever you have. And I am just going to place this right in the center. Oh, sorry, not in the center, right in the inner area. That's not even making any sense, but I feel like you guys are seeing where I'm going with this. Actually, I think I need a different brush. I don't like the way that's doing things. So let me just remove and soften a little bit. Okay, going in with another brush. I'm just going to add this right into the inner tear duct. That's the word, the inner tear duct. And just I'm going to push this in. I'm actually not even using eyeshadow primer. There's no eyeshadow primer and there is no concealer. So I'm just adding it like that, so it's going to really just open up the eyes without really doing too much. All right, so now that that shadow is on, I'm gonna go in with Caramel and Morocco, these 2 shades right here, this one and this one. Mix it together using a fluffy brush. And we're just gonna work this right into the crease. I don't think I've actually ever filmed a look using this palette. These colors are so pretty. I don't feel like I've really seen a lot of people using this palette much anymore because there's so much new stuff, and her new palette, well, her newer palette with Anastasia is incredible, but I've definitely filmed a bunch of tutorials using that. I was just kind of digging through my stuff and I was like, wow, I haven't used this in a really long time, and colors are just beautiful, very beautiful. So whatever products left over, I'm just going to swipe onto my lid. Not doing anything too crazy, I just don't like harsh lines. We're gonna work on the other side. All right, so that brush I use to first place the inner tear duct color, I think I'm gonna go in with Glisten. This color right here, so pretty. It's a really nice sparkle. And I'm going to just dust this right on the lid, but I'm keeping it just on the center. Actually, I'll bring a little more closer. So I'll keep it from like here to the center, but I'm not going to bring it past. This color's so pretty. Okay, so I think I want to go in with a little bit of Deep Plum, just taking a very small amount just to define my eyes a little bit, like the tiniest little, like, not just like the tiniest. I'm just gonna add this right here. And I'm just kind of just tapping away. So I'm gonna clean that brush off. And now I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush. Okay, going back in with Caramel and Morocco, mixing both of them together. Oh, actually, I think I want to do a pop of color. Okay, we're still gonna go in with a little bit of Caramel and Morocco, but we're just gonna go in very light. And I'm really gonna buff this down. I just don't want this color to be very bold, so we're just going to lightly run it on the lower lash line, connecting. That's what we do. Okay, so now I think what I'm gonna do, because I think I want to add a pop of color, and this purple has been calling my name. I want to go in the, looking for a very small little itty bitty brush, so this might work. This is a Morphe brush. It came with the Mitchell collection that they had. So we're going in with the iridescent purple. I want to see how well this goes on. If it's not going on as pigmented as I wanted to, we're going to go and add a little bit of glitter primer to really, you know, really have it stick. So let's see. You know what? I'm seeing it. I don't feel like you guys are seeing it the way I'm seeing it. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of glitter primer and, well, glitter glue. And the one I'm using is the NYX glitter primer. So I'm just take a little bit, put on the back of my hand. And yeah, we'll use the same brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna stamp this. I'm getting really close, but just make sure you're not getting this stuff in your eyes. Okay, I'm working on the other side. So by the time I'm done applying it on this side, we can just go straight in with the shade. Okay, hopefully that's enough. Clean my hands off because I'm really bad about doing that. And I'm going to clean the brush off a little bit too, because I don't want the brush to get all gunky. Okay, back in with iridescent purple. And we're going to stamp. Oh, so can you guys see that now? Really, really pretty. Yeah, you can really see it now. Okay, so now that color is on there, going back in with that same brush that I used the first two shadows, I'm gonna buff the edges a little bit because, like I said, I don't like harsh lines. I mean, sometimes I do. I think I need to go in with a little more of those two shades. Okay, really, really pretty. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to skip liner. I've kind of been really into skipping liner, but I am gonna add some liner in my waterline, and we're gonna use this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner, and this one is vivid. It is purple. I feel like it's gonna go really, really nicely with the purple here. So just really go in and connecting it. So I'm kind of getting this on my skin also, because I don't want that gap. You see the difference that that's making? Oh, I love purple, it's so pretty. Okay, I think we should add a little bit of shadow in the brow bone. Let's go back in with Glisten, which was the shade right here that we added right on our lid. I'm just taking a very small amount and just kind of dusting it. It just looks so just wet, just really pretty, really just wet, really. I don't know if this is gonna make sense, but I feel like it just looks healthy, you know, like my eyelids look healthy. But yeah, I'm really, really liking this. I feel like that pop of color just does it. If you want to add liner, you can. I kind of want the purple to be the main attraction. without being too much. All right, so I'm going to curl my lashes, add some mascara, and then I'm going to go in with the Salon Perfect in 614s. They are my favorites. So curl. I like to really, really curl because I have these straight little itty bitty baby lashes. I'm going to go pretty heavy handed with this mascara, and I'm going to do this mascara on top and bottom. So I'm going to speed this process up because it's a long, boring process, but you get it. Going in with my Fenty Beauty Banana Powder. I'm just going to take a little bit. I feel like I'm a little shiny, and I just want to kind of just mattify certain areas of my face. But I don't want to put this all over. So just pretty much my T-zones. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some blush. I think I'm gonna use this Tarte Paaarty blush. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's Paaarty with a lot of A's in there. So I'm gonna go in with this pink. I don't want anything too bright because I feel like the purple, that's pretty much most of the color that I want going on my face. And I'm just going to run this over here. It doesn't look like anything special, but I feel like it just gives you that perfect, you know, that perfect bit of color on your face. Do you see the difference? See? And I'm just bringing it up because it's just such a really pretty color. You can get away with putting a lot of this on. I'm just put a little bit over here, whatever left over. Nothing too crazy. Okay, and because we went in with the AMrezy palette, I feel like we should go in with the AMrezy highlighter. This is limited edition. You can no longer get your hands on it, but this is what it looks like. They do have a dupe, and I filmed the entire video showing you comparison, so you guys can check it out if you want to see what it looks like. But the Revlon Skin Lights in 201 Daybreak Glimmer dupe. You do. But for the sake of the video, we are going in with this one right here. I don't want to put too much of this on. It is very, very pigmented. If you have it, you know. So it's just going to go in with a very, very small amount. And just add this. Oh, do you see that? I mean, I barely did. I don't even think I need to go in with another little dip. Like seriously, it's just incredible. Incredible. So I'm just using the same. I only dipped in once for both sides. I haven't been liking a super blinding highlight, so one little dip is perfect. Now we are going to highlight the nose. I'm trying to find something small that we can use. Going back in with the same highlighter. Just adding it right here. Oh, so pretty. Yeah, it's just so pretty. Okay, and for my lips, I already did my lips. I have on, hold on, I will show you. It's back here. I have the Morphe Sugar Pie lip liner, and I lined the outer edges with Morphe's Bite Me lip liner. Then I went in with KKW Beauty 90s style matte lipstick. It is a beautiful matte pink. It's one of my current favorite lipsticks. In the center, I went in with e.l.f.'s Creme lipstick. It's just this really, really light pink. And for the center where you see that little bit of gloss, I'm very strategic when it comes to lip gloss. I don't like putting it all over. Fenty Beauty, the OG, the first one, Fenty Glow. This is just what I put right in the center, and that is it. That is it for the face. I loved the way this turned out. I just feel like it's so pretty, so clean, and I just like it. I actually like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, this video, this look, this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.